Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar and my roll number is 20CS30003. Here you can see a watch. It is running. The clock is working very nicely. The back side of the clock. Here 3 nuts are fitted into it. I am going to open it. This upper part, we get the inside part as this. This is the switch for alarm, and this key is for alarm setting, and this is for clock time setting. You can see there is a speaker for the alarms, and there is a button for lights inside the case. Here you can see these wires are connected to the speakers, and this wire here is connected for the bulb, and this is the switch inside. Actually this part is the switch, which you can see. There is a bulb attached over here, which you can see. The settings are the bulb gives light inside the case through this corner, and the wires are then goes to this switch over here, and the another wire goes to the battery, which is connected over here. Now we will open this inside case and see how exactly the clock works. Here you can see I have opened the smaller case. Now I am going to detach it part by part. Like first the smaller one, this gear, then I took off this gear, then this smaller gear, and here we have this, and this is also present over here. Also I have taken out the hands, the minute hand, second hand, and the hour hand, and also for the alarm hand out of the main part. Now this, I'm going to take out this bigger part out like this. This is attached to the main circuit via two wires. You can see over here it's too thin to see, but you can see the golden wires attached to the main circuit. Also the main gears which rotates the minute hand, hour hand, and second hand are this. Here you can see this. This is another smaller part. Also you can see that there is a outside bulging over here, which is because of this gear present over here, and through this main circuit, electric circuit, the battery is connected. Here you can see this is the positive terminal of the battery, there is the negative terminal, both are connected to this electric circuit, and here the switch connection is also made over here, and the speaker connection is also made to this.
So here at once you can see the hands, main circuit, battery place, back cover, and different gears over here. You can see that at once. So now we will again start reconstructing what we have all messed up.
Okay, via reassembling, I got something new to show you. I haven't shown you how the clock time setting and alarm time setting gears work. So this is the alarm time setting, and look at this lower gears, how it is rotating. You can see one of the gear at the lowest is rotating very slowly. Actually the alarm hand also moves very slowly. You can see the beneath one was rotating while I was rotating this gear. This is the alarm gear, and now this is the clock time setter. Now if I rotate this, you can see how the minute and hour hand are rotating so fastly. You can also guess which is the minute hand, which is the hour hand, and the faster one moving is the minute hand, of course, and the slower one moving is the hour hand. You can see. So now in this part we will see how actually the gears while gears move while clock is working. I showed you in the previous part how this gear makes clock timings according to our need. Now this is the main gear by which rotates and which rotates the second hand, hour hand, and minute hand. Let's suppose I move it via my fingers. You can see the second hand rotating, and this second hand is in turn this second hand is in turn rotating this minute hand, and this hand minute actually these are the gears which will be connected to the minute hand and second hand and hour hand. So this gear in turn rotates this gear, and this gear in turn rotates this gear. Actually there are teeths in below this part. Actually, this gear there is a teeth made which connects this and this gear. Okay, so when I rotate this rotates the other two gears, and you can see the other two gears are moving very slowly.
This part is moving very slowly, which you might be unable to capture or see in the video. So you can see I have reassembled the parts and attached the back case, and also I have attached the second hand, minute hands, etc. Now I will attach battery here and see whether it's working or not.
So let's see. As I already mentioned, this was the alarm button. So I on it, and you see it starts beeping up. And you see the second hand is also moving. So I have rejoined it successfully. And
so now I'm going to show you whether the switches corresponding to clock setting and alarm setting are working properly or not. So you see the alarm hand is moving across 9 and 10 o'clock. And similarly for the minute hand, you can also see it's moving around 6, 7, 8, 9. So the construction has also worked very properly.